Welcome to the Opal and Mommy baking show. Say, I'm Opal. No, say it out loud. Say, I'm Opal.
Opal.
And I'm Mommy. And today, no, you're not Mommy. I'm Mommy. Today we're going to be baking gluten-free blueberry muffins, but we're not going to make them into muffins because they're gross, turns out. So we're going to make them into pancakes, which will be an adventure. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and start. You want to pour it in? Good pouring. Alright, we'll see you at the milk step. Today we're going to be using Mommy's oat milk.
Oh.
Oat milk kind of sounds like Opal.
Opal.
Your name is Opal, isn't it? Alright. You want to pour it in? Oh dear. Alright, pour it in. Good job. Now what do you think we do, Opal? No, don't whisper it. Say it out loud. Say stir.
Go.
Okay.
Go. Go.
Stir, stir, stir. You're getting very good at stirring. Good job. Now we're going to add some water because I'm just winging it. So we're going to add water and hopefully that'll thin it out a little bit so we can make them into pancakes. What do you think, Opal? Are you stirring? How come you get mute when I turn on the camera? Alright, the moment of truth. Let's see if it actually works.
Hot.
It is hot, you're right.
It's hot.
That's not hot, but that's hot, isn't it? Good, yeah. You make me nervous. You make me nervous. What do you have? What's this?
Daddy.
Say a flipper.
Opal.
Flipper, yeah. Guys, this is not quite going as planned. I would call this the first unsuccessful Mommy Opal baking show. And also, Violet needed attention, so we added some oil and made them thinner. That's the first somewhat successful looking one. It does not turn like a pancake might, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. You know I'm still going to eat it. Right, Opal? We're still going to eat it. Woohoo! Woohoo! Crabby baby! Crabby baby!